Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can redeem vouchers or withdraw vouchers or rather gift cards on Amazon. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, as you can see, I am accessing the Amazon service through my web browser. You can do it however you'd like, and the process is pretty much the same. And yeah, that's about it for that disclaimer. Let me explain quickly what gift cards are. Gift cards are basically cards which you can gift other people or use them yourself if they've been gifted to you. They have a certain amount of money tied to the code on the gift card, and they are a very good gift. For example, if you don't know what to buy somebody for their birthday or for the holidays, you can just get them a gift card, and once you get them a gift card, they can withdraw that money, and then they can add it to their account and use it to purchase anything they would like. Of course, it's a better alternative to for giving people money, basically, so that you don't have to give them cash or send them cash through e-banking. But yeah, without further ado, this is how you withdraw them if you got one. First of all, you want to go to your account, which is here in the top right next to the language selection. Just hover over this tab here, and you want to go into your account. Just click on account and you'll be taken to this screen. Once you're here, you can view a lot of different things, such as tracking orders, changing your addresses, login and security, managing Amazon Prime memberships, and so on and so forth. What you want to do is go into gift cards, and once you're here, you'll see this screen. Then just click on redeem a gift card and just enter the claim code here. Once you do, just click apply to your balance and you will get the money added to your account. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.